Hey guys, welcome to my channel Purpose Biker, and this is DK, and in this video I'm going to tell you a very simple, quick and effective way of installing a chin mount for any of your full face helmets for that matter. Yes guys, you heard that right, any full face helmets. It's a very simple way without using any M seals, without using any additional helmet pedestal extensions or any drillings for that matter. So let's get this video started. Let's just say this is your helmet. Now you see, you want to install a chin mount right in front of your chin basically. This is where ideally you're going to install the mount. Now let's just say this is the helmet mount which you want to install on the chin mount, whereas typically what you see is here is most of the helmets, 90 to 95% of the helmets what you get in the market out there doesn't have a very flat surface. It always tends to have a curved surface. Now if I use the flat helmet mount or a curved helmet mount for that matter, you are not going to have a very perfect snug fit wherein you will always see certain gaps. Now this is where we have seen a lot of people who have worked their mind out, to fix it using a different ways, like using an M seal or drilling a hole through it and fixing it, all these things, etc. Now the other way is when you get a very flat surface around the helmet, whether on the right side or the left side. Now if you want to fix it here, then what happens then, it looks very untidy. Yes, you get a very snug fit, and I do understand I have the same kind of installation in my helmet, but what happens is now you need to bring an extension from this point to the helmet front, in order to install the action cam, which ideally gives you the chin mount view. So let's just say you're going to use so much of helmet pedestal extensions like this, and you need to extend it by mounting it like this, and you need to extend it and pull it. So what I have actually done is, let me just show you my helmet. Ta-da! So here's the surprise guys. So you see, so this is a new item which has come in the market, which is very simple and effective and very quick. It's just a strap which is a 3M double-sided enable strap, which has got a standard helmet mount in the front. It is a single piece. I'll just show you in a very closer look. So if you see, there is a strip coming out and which gets extended into a helmet mount, which perfectly fits in front of the chin part of the helmet, and again it continues, has another strip on the other side of the helmet as well. Now this has a 3M sticker around it, so it just fits it very perfectly, and there is no way that it's going to fall off or anything as such. So it just fits into any of the helmet for that matter guys. So let's see a very closer look here. Yeah, so let me just show you how this kind of mount becomes very effective there. So this is my action cam. Now what I have used is just a J mount and an extension, a small extension, just to get a right view. Otherwise just a J mount is more than enough or sufficient for you to have the very simple yet effective chin mount and the proper chin mount view. So I just have to lock it out, and there you go. This is the fit I got. So yeah, we have got a solution finally, to have a very good snug fit for a chin mount for any kind of full face helmet guys. So if you ask me where do we get this kind of straps, I just found it in one of the helmet shops. A lot of excitement. I even forgot to ask how do we name it, or how do we even ask for it. So I'm not sure. I'll find it and let you know in the descriptions later part of the time, and I again going to visit the shop and ask for the name. But so far, this is it guys. This is going to be the future, and this is going to be the solution for all those people who are struggling to have a proper chin mount without spending a lot of time and effort and precision and doing all kinds of jugards to have a perfect fit for the helmet chin mount installation. So until next time, it's DK signing off. Ta-da, bye bye.